Hi everyone, I'm Riley McLaughlin. I'm in 7th period AP Lit, and my birthday's on April 16th, as you can see right there, and I'm super excited for AP Lit this year. For colleges, right now I'm mainly looking at University of Georgia and Georgia Tech, just because they're not super far away and they're both very good schools. But if I don't end up going there, I'm just looking for a school with a good business program and a good art program so that I can do a double major. So my hobbies and interests, I have a lot of them, as you can tell. I dance, usually anywhere from 8 to 12 hours a week. I just got hired to be an intern for my church's youth group, which is super exciting and I'm really looking forward to. Arts and crafts are like my love language. I really enjoy art and crafts. As you can tell over here, I've done both of these. They were both in AP Art last year, which I'm also taking this year and I'm super excited about. I also enjoy listening to music, being outside, and just being active. I have many pets as well. I have 3 dogs. This one over here is Chief. This is Ricky, and this is Hermione, but we call her Hermie for short. And I also have 2 cats named Misty and Midnight, and I have 21 pet goldfish. This is my family. I have 2 older sisters and an older brother. This is my sister Fiona, who was in AP Research last year. This is my sister Amy, and that is my brother Devin. And these are my parents. This is my mom who works at Laster, and my dad works at Kell, so they're both teachers, which is pretty cool. So my 2 favorite books are Little Women by Louisa May Alcott and To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. And they're both classics, but I just really love them so much. My 2 favorite movies are also classics, which are Ferris Bueller's Day Off and Singin' in the Rain. I think I like them mostly because they're just feel-good movies, and they're kind of nostalgic, which I also like a lot. My favorite TV shows are The Office, Parks and Rec, and Psych. And my favorite quote is, "In a world where you can be anything, be kind." Thanks for watching!